Hi everybody, today I make chicken curry. For this recipe, the ingredients are simple. Onion, olive oil, cocoa milk, rice, chicken broth, chicken, tomato pulp, garlic, apple and curry. Now I slice one onion. I pop the onion in the oven. Now the robot chops the onion for 10 seconds. Now I put 1 spoon of curry in the robot. Okay. And I'm changing the blade for the step 2. Okay. I pour 4 tablespoons of olive oil.
Yes.
And I add a spoon of salt in the robot. I choose the slow cook program for 5 minutes. Now I cut the chicken in the little cubes. Now I open cocoa milk and I put it in the oven. I take the chicken and I put in the oven. And the chicken broth. And close everything. Now I'm using the slow cook programs for heat the chicken for 45 minutes. The chicken curry is ready. Now I put the apple in the curry. I take a pot to boil the water for the rice. I pour the rice. The rice is ready. Now I drain the rice. Now I serve the plate of chicken and curry. This is for you.
Thank you. Thank you, Nani. Yummy.
Thank you.